In January 2026, Apple redefined the creative software landscape. Not with hardware, not with a new phone, but with software that touches every creator's workflow. A subscription bundle that brings pro-grade video editing, music production, imaging, and productivity tools into one unified platform. Today, we're breaking down Apple Creator Studio, what it is, why it matters, how it works, and what this shift means for creators of all levels, from hobbyists to industry professionals. Creator Studio is Apple's new all-in-one app subscription, launching January 28, 2026, that bundles the company's flagship creative software under a single service. For the first time, Apple is shifting some of its most powerful tools into a subscription model designed to democratize access across video, audio, imaging, and productivity. Here's what it includes: core creative apps, Final Cut Pro, Apple's industry-leading video editing software, Logic Pro, professional music production and audio editing suite Pixelmator Pro, advanced image creation and editing motion graphics and animation compressor, file and media encoding MainStage, live performance music tool. These apps are available on Mac and, where supported, on iPad. Beyond that, Creator Studio unlocks AI-enhanced capabilities and premium content in Apple's productivity suite, Keynote, Pages, Numbers, and later, in freeform across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Ask any creator, video editor, musician, photographer, or teacher, and they'll tell you this: tools are expensive. A single one of these pro apps can cost hundreds of dollars outright. Now imagine a bundle that gives you all, plus intelligent AI enhancements, for one predictable monthly price. For beginners, access tools that used to be out of reach for most hobbyists. Start with videos, tracks, or images without buying individual licenses. AI features help newcomers get results faster. For intermediate creators, integrated workflows, audio, video, and imaging all talking to each other. A unified subscription means you can pivot between projects without gaps. More frequent updates and new features via Apple Intelligence. For pros and studios, tools trusted in professional environments, from Final Cut to Logic, family sharing and team collaborations without multiple licenses, premium templates, royalty-free content, AI-assisted editing that accelerates complex tasks. Creator Studio is priced at $12.99 per month or $120 per year, with a 1-month free trial on launch. That's hundreds of dollars less than buying these apps separately. Educational subscribers get an even steeper discount, just $2,099 per month or $29,999 per year, opening the door for students and educators to all major creative tools. Family sharing lets you bring up to 6 people under one subscription, and Apple offers extended free trials with qualifying Macs or iPads. But Apple hasn't abandoned the one-time purchase model. Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and others remain available individually on the Mac App Store. Creator Studio simply unifies access and adds premium features only available via subscription. Creator Studio isn't just about bundling apps, it introduces powerful AI-driven tools designed to change how we create. Final Cut Pro enhancements, AI transcription search to pinpoint audio clips, visual search inside footage for smarter editing, AI-assisted beat detection for syncing music. McRumors. Logic Pro Editions, smart analysis of audio and MIDI to extract harmonies and chords. Expanded session players and producer packs. McRumors. Pixelmator Pro updates, warp and reshape tools driven by AI. New design workflows optimized for Apple Pencil and Touch on iPad. McRumors. Across productivity apps, premium templates, royalty-free assets, AI assistance for slides, docs, and spreadsheets. Apple. No major shift is without controversy. Subscription models have their detractors, especially among creators who prefer perpetual licenses. You'll still own the apps if you buy standalone, but some premium features and content remain exclusive to Creator Studio subscribers. Critics argue this move puts Apple in more direct competition with services like Adobe Creative Cloud, forcing a choice between subscription flexibility and permanent ownership. But for many, Creator Studio's value, especially for cross-discipline creators, may outweigh the trade-offs. Imagine seamlessly moving from video editing to music production to presentation design without changing platforms. That interoperability alone is a paradigm shift. Apple Creator Studio isn't just a bundle, it's a new ecosystem philosophy. It reflects a world where content creation isn't siloed, where powerful tools must be accessible, collaborative, and integrated. Apple isn't just selling apps, it's shaping the future of creative workflows. Whether you're a hobbyist starting your first project, a professional editor shaping content for millions, or a teacher inspiring the next generation, Creator Studio marks a pivotal moment in creative technology. And this is just the beginning. Because when tools become more powerful, creativity becomes limitless.